Hello and welcome back to One Day to Get 5 MA for AP Precalculus. This is episode 30, and today I'm going to be doing a problem from Unit 3. Alright, so before I do the problem, I'd like you to pause the video and give it a try, and then check back and see how you did. Alright, we want to know at what value of theta, so we'll say theta, does a graph of f of theta equals tangent of theta minus pi over 4 have a vertical asymptote. So these vertical asymptotes of tangent occur when or tangent theta minus pi over 4, because the tangent is equal to the sine over the cosine. Let's write that better. Because the tangent, I'll just rewrite all of it. Tangent is sine divided by cosine. So the vertical asymptotes occur when the denominator is 0. So that's just saying when the cosine is 0. But for us, it's going to be sine of theta minus pi over 4 over cosine of theta minus pi over 4, because that's the argument we have for tangent here. So we want to know, when is that going to be equal to 0? So when is cosine of theta minus pi over 4 equal 0? Well, if you recall, the zeros of cosine occur at pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. Yeah, right? So that's just pi over 2 plus k pi. K is an integer. That's just the fancy symbol for saying it's an integer. Alright, so basically, what this implies is if cosine of theta minus pi over 4 is equal to 0, that means that theta minus pi over 4 has to be equal to pi over 2 plus k pi. K pi. Okay? So if we add pi over 4 to both sides to undo that subtraction, we get that theta must have to be 3 pi over 4 plus k pi. Alright, so let's check which of these answer choices makes that valid. So let's try, or let me just write out what all this will be. That'll be, let's start negative large numbers. So if it's negative 2 pi, that would be negative 5 pi over 4. And then if it's negative 1, it would be negative pi over 4. If it's 0, it would just be 3 pi over 4, comma 7 pi over 4, because we're just going in multiples of pi. We're adding pi each time. So the only one that matches up with one of our answer choices is negative pi over 4, right? So that is our answer. And so just give, kind of give you something to be able to put a graph to with this. That's bad. Okay, so let's graph this. This is pi over 4. It's pi over 2. 3 pi over 4. Let's go the other way too. This is negative pi over 4. Negative pi over 2. Negative 3 pi over 4. And this can be 1. Negative 1. That would mean that this square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. I'm going to erase that. It's too much. Okay, so cosine is going to start at 1. It's going to have 0 at pi over 2, and 0 at negative pi over 2. So all in all, it's going to look something like, right? Okay, it's not a great graph. I feel like I could probably do better. Do the same thing. Oh wow, that's as good as we're gonna get. But if it's shifted, notice that it's minus pi over 4 on the inside, it means it's going to be shifted pi over 4 right. It's going to look something like this. So it's going to have a maximum right there. So it's going to look something like alright, so this is going to be cosine of theta minus pi over 4. And this is going to be cosine of just theta. Right? So if you can see, it's just shifted to the right. And because it shifted to the right, it's going to have a 0 at negative pi over 4, if that makes sense. Alright, I hope that you found the video helpful. Hope that you have a good rest of your day.